Hello guys, another day, another job. Ngayon papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano kami mag dry dock. So far, this is my fifth dry dock and ito yung experience na masarap na mahirap.
Pwede na.
You need to be physical and mentally fit because we need to plan and execute accordingly. Meron kaming mga time na hinahabol na kailangan namin matapos, hindi pwede yung pagulong. Oh my God! Wow! Kita niyo naman kahit pagkakarpet ginawa na namin. My team is separate for two different jobs. Yung dalawa sa team ko, fire team. And the rest of my team ay in charge for the cleanliness of the whole ship. In short, we are the garbage team. Yes, we are the garbage team. Sa umaga, we try to clean from deck 0 until deck 4. And sa hapon naman, depende kung saan kami mag-organize. Pwedeng sa pool bar, wine bar, or lounge bar. Talagang sobrang kalat ng buong barko kapag ka dry dock. Tignan nyo. Oh my God! Wow! Dito naman, nilalagay na yung bagong sails. Every 2 years nga pala yung dry dock ng kada barko namin. And we need to wear proper safety helmet, safety shoes, coverall, safety gloves, safety goggles. Yun, unti-unti na may progress yung barko namin. Nga pala, umabot ng almost 1 and 15 days tong dry dock namin. Since major renovation talaga yung ginawa dito. Lahat ng furniture namin tinapon. Hindi lang furniture, pati mga TV sa kabina, ang dami. What? Shout out ko lang yung team kong malulupit. Eric Maningas, Rafael Opol, Aladin Lastrilla, Kenan Hernandez, and Philip Federican. Ito nga pala yung dating lobby. Yan, dry dock. And then, that's it. Oh my God! Lounge bar from this to this to this. What? Ito naman pool bar. Yung maliit na pool bar namin talagang nirenovate nila at pinalaki. Talagang binigyan nila ng effort. Yun, no? Nakita nyo yung pool, lumaki na siya. Yun, quality na. Ito naman yung pool deck. Deck 4. From that to this. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.